The div error is probably the simplest error in Excel, but is also one of the errors that appears very frequently when we're working with data. It appears whenever we're trying to divide something and we're dividing it by 0. And as you probably already know, this is impossible to do, and this is Excel's way of telling us that it cannot perform this operation. So to solve the error, you will have to go back to your data and check your calculated cells and see where you perform a division, and check whether in any of the cells you attempted to divide by 0. And keep in mind that this error could also appear if you're trying to divide by an empty cell. And let me show you with these examples that I have right here how to solve the error, how to generate it, and how to work your way around it. So I have a table with data right here. I have a number of tickets processed. I'm trying to do a sum in here. I have a number of agents which is currently set to 0. And in here, in this section, I'm trying to get an average tickets that have been processed by one agent, but instead of getting the number, I'm getting divided by 0. And this is obviously because I'm trying to divide the value in cell B7 by the value in cell E1, which is 0. And if I remove the 0 and I replace it with another number, like 6, just like that, the error is gone. And talking about the other scenario, I've mentioned that whenever you're trying to make a division and you are dividing by an empty cell, just like I'm doing right now, see, I changed the value in E1 from the number that I had to blank, and Excel treats blank cells as if they were containing a 0 when we're trying to use them in math. And so if I'm trying to divide 126 by an empty cell, I'm actually doing 126 divided by 0. And so Excel is saying that I cannot perform a division by 0, and I'll have to fill this with another random value and make the error go away. That's it. These are the causes for the div error. This is how you solve it. If you've learned something new, please hit the like button, and if you have any type of questions, please leave them in the comments below.